Gave you my all, every piece of me. Trusted your words, but you let me bleed. You swore forever, but forever's a lie. Now I'm standing here just asking why. Did you ever mean it? Was it all a game? Did you ever love me, or just love the pain? Now I'm left with echoes of what it used to be. A love that's gone but still haunting me. You broke my heart, shattered it in two. Left me in the dark, nothing I can do. Took all the love, threw it all away. Now I'm picking up pieces every single day. The memories haunt me, they cut like a knife. Trying to move on, but you're stuck in my life. You're a voice in my head, a ghost of the past. I should have known that we never last. Did you ever mean it? Was it all a game? Did you ever love me, or just love the pain? Now I'm left with echoes of what used to be. A love that's gone but still haunting me. You broke my heart, shattered it in two. Left me in the dark, nothing I can do. Took all the love, threw it all away. Now I'm picking up pieces every single day. But I won't stay broken, I won't stay down. One day I'll rise, turn this pain around. You'll be the one who looks back and regrets. I'll be the one who finally forgets. You broke my heart, but I found my way. I'm stronger now, no more wasted days. Took all the love, but I made it through. Now I'm standing tall without you.